Welcome to the Nightcap. Today we are going to be making a mojito. So go ahead, smash, subscribe, comment, get your friends on in there. So with the mojito, what it's going to be some mint, limes, 1 ounce of the lime juice, freshly squeezed. We got half an ounce of simple syrup and 2 ounces of white rum, followed by a little club soda. So let's go ahead and make it. You can shake it, you can stir it. We're going to stir it today. Either one makes a delicious drink, but it's just a little easier. We're trying to make it better than average drink in less than average time. So we're going to hit the little mint leaves first. And with the mint leaves, I've done this before, I'm going to do 9, a little lucky number. We're just going to slap it. We're going to get the smells in there and then drop it all in. And we'll end up muddling those here in a second. So with that, we're going to put in half an ounce of the simple syrup. And then we will do 1 ounce of lime juice. And then we'll go ahead and put in the white rum. So that's going to be 2 ounces of Captain Morgan's finest. White rum is just going to be a little bit used more when it comes to making cocktails than your traditional rum. So highly suggest getting some of this and keeping it for a nice sunny day like tomorrow. So we got 2 ounces the Mojito juice, aka Captain Morgan white rum. And then what we'll do, just for some aesthetics, a little bit of flavor, put in a couple slices of the lime right now. Next thing is just to muddle this down. We're gonna get some of the lime juice in there, open up the mint a little bit more. It's really just a soft press. You'll see a lot more people do this in the beginning just with the mint and the simple syrup. But we found this actually releases the flavor a little bit more when you got most everything in there. Then what I'll do is I'm going to put in the other quarter of the lime slices. Again, more aesthetics than anything. And then next, we're going to start cooling this down, throwing some ice in here. I'm going to fill this Collins glass up first with some ice. Now that we have ice in there, we're going to give this a little bit of a stir and kind of open up those mint leaves down there, bring them up into the drink. You want to see that flavor with your eyes all the way around it. And now we'll top it off with some club soda. So get that all the way up. Top it off in the glass. There you have it, your mojito. He's a dude, Clark. Cheers.